He had 2 coffees and he's just ready for the day.
Yes, ma'am.
Back He has a gelato.
It's like 4 a.m. and he got gelato for breakfast.
4 a.m. 50 degrees outside and he gets a gelato.
Degrees. Let's get this bread.
Oh my god.
Is this what Indiana looks like right now?
Yeah, this honestly is what Indiana looks like right now. We're about 2 hours away. We're running on like 2 hours of sleep. Guys, it's snowing.
It's really not snowing. There's just snow.
Oh my goodness.
Winter Wonderland.
Hey guys, I'm going out.
Okay.
Yes.
Car's never seen snow before. Oh my god, I told you it's slick as fuck. Yes, get him. Get him. Oh.
That wasn't me.
Hey! Hey! Shit, guys. I'm in a boot too, look. Dude, I'm soaking wet. Oh my gosh. Okay, we need to get back in the car. Alright guys, we'll see you when we...
Yeah. Sorry.
Guys.
Okay, so we missed our 4-wheeler excursion, but this is pretty much like it.
The same.
We were stuck for like 30 minutes, and now we're we're going 5 miles an hour up to 12 inches of snow.
Oh, hey,
For 10 miles. On the opposite side of the road. Hey vlog, it's 9:28 now.
We've been on this hill for 9 hours and 28 minutes.
Deadass, that's what it feels like. Avalanche area, bro. 2 wheels, no chains. This is what we're doing right now. Are we really doing this?
Yes,
and Will said record this, so if somebody hits us, I can sue them. And we're crossing the bridge to get to the ATV place as fast as we can so that the boys don't miss it.
But we're probably gonna miss it.
But we're probably gonna miss it. So maybe we could just go have a photo shoot. 31 more miles. What happened? What happened?
Present from Nevada. Guys, we lost John, and he's getting a present from Santa Claus right now. From an old man from Nevada.
Because we were stuck, so we needed somebody to go get service with someone who had 4-wheel drive. So we were like, all right. So we hopped into this old dude's truck.
Because the street closed.
Yes, because the street is so bad. The street just closed. We left and then the street closed.
And the gas station is closed.
So it's on you right now, but we left John. So we told you about John. I honestly don't know. Like, ask if they have a room. So we asked John. He got dropped off at Kirkwood Inn, and we're supposed to go get him back.
He doesn't even have his wallet, bro.
And we're going to get gas, and then we were gonna go pick him up, but we just called him. And now we're like, we're ditching you for. Wait, what?
John, I'm gonna miss you.
John, I'm joking. I'm completely joking. He said, "Don't with me." John, we'll be there in like 45 minutes. We haven't even got to 7-Eleven yet. Okay, we love you, John. I'm sorry for that. I had to do it.
Love you, John. We miss you.
Okay, bye. Okay, it's recording.
Hi guys. Okay, so we're out of gas, and we found a gas station like this in a trailer park, but it's not working, so we're just stealing it. We're pumping because there's a little bit of gas coming out. Pretty funny. And I've never vlogged before. Oh my god. Hi my fans, I love you. Oh, he's pumping. Pump that. That's the trailer park right there.
I forget the half. That's gonna be good.
Pretty cool. There you go. I don't know how to turn it off.
Yeah. Ooh.
cow. We saw like almost another fucking cow. It's like.
It deadass looks like we're in Narnia. Right
like Narnia. Like just look around. All you see is white. But to give you a quick update, let me turn the music down. We're on our way back to pick up our friend John, the one we told the joke about. Might not be alive. Who knows? He has no service. We're in the middle of Nevada mountains.
Show him what he's there.
Exactly, you can't even see. But the roads are clear now. Like they weren't clear when we first came, so it's making the trip a lot faster, a lot easier, a lot safer. So we'll give you John's been waiting on us for like over an hour, 2 hours, yeah, because we had to go all the way down the hill to get gas, and then so now we're just going to get him. So we'll give you an update when we encounter John. Guys, we made it. Guys, we made it. Oh my god. Oh my god. What'd you think about the prank call?
It was terrible.
We made it. This is the shit we're getting stuck in, dude. It's like 12 inches of snow. It's awful. Oh my god. Okay, I'm so excited. Let's get to the cabin. Okay, yeah, but a quick update. I called the host, and he said it's snowing in Stateline, so hopefully it's not quite as bad as this, because this is like crazy. But like, we'll see you at Stateline. We'll see you at the cabin. Peace. Cara, update it.
So, right now, I don't know where we are, y'all, but we're still alive.
We're like 10 minutes from the cabin, and we decided to stop at this little vista point because it's super pretty. And I need to get this on camera.
Fuck's sakes, mate.
So we're not in Cali anymore, we're in Nevada. We're going to Stateline, if anybody's familiar with that. I'm not, so, yeah. So we got Nevada, we got cornfields, and we got more cornfields, and then we got some more cornfields, and some cows. We got some cows. And yeah, but we're back on some good roads, not a lot of snow, so we're grateful, so we don't die, you know. Just like here in Nevada,
oh hell, he doing it.
I'm gonna do it again. For fuck's sake, man.
I don't know how. They're out of control. Stop!
Let's get it!
Let me see it.
Right now, what do you think? Y'all pissed me off. Good.
Good lord, my pants are muddy too. Woo! Oh my god, we made it, John. Okay, here's my boy John, the guy I prank called. I actually feel really bad about the prank because he was by himself, and I just feel bad. How do you think about it, John? How do you feel?
It was pretty shitty of you. It's okay.
Sorry. Alright, so right now we are at a barbecue place and we haven't eaten. We left at 4 a.m. and it was supposed to be a 4-hour drive, but it is now, what time is it? 12? 2. It's 2 p.m. See that? I'm lost. So we left at 4 a.m. and it's 2 p.m. It's supposed to be a 4-hour drive, so I'm bad at math, but yeah, now we're eating for the first time. And we're like 5 minutes away from the cabin, so let's get it.
People are looking at me.
Sorry. Woohoo! Guys, we made it! After 12 hours.
Oh,
how pumped is everyone? Or is everybody tired?
Tired. I'm super excited.
Super excited. Alright, that's what I like to hear. So we're all on like 3 hours of sleep and like, I don't know, 30 hours, but we're killing it. Because we're only here for 2 nights, so we're gonna make the most of it starting. But let me show you guys a little something. We got a jacuzzi. We're yet to get in. We're about to get in though. And we got a full kitchen, nice full kitchen, 2 baths. The living room's my favorite part. Living room. The most beautiful place ever. And then, let me take you guys upstairs. Oh, I thought Carl was in here. Okay, anyways, that's the first bed. Full bath. In the second bedroom, this is where me and Lee are gonna post up tonight. We got a nice balcony with a nice view, you know how it goes. We got the nice closet, that's irrelevant, but who cares? And then Fawn's just gradually sliding down the steps. Yes, Fawn! Anna, describe the house in 3 words. Ready, go.
Comfortable, warm, and
go.
beautiful.
Beautiful.
Howdy chick, but I keep my